Everyone loves stories. We capture them and craft them into poetry. From heartfelt to hilarious, give us a story, or even just a word, and we will transform it into a typewritten poem right before your eyes. Our poetry is framed and hung in homes across the world, bringing your stories to life in a surprising and wonderful way. Joseph and Mark, as well as some other poets, are based in Virginia and provide a fantastic experience for wedding receptions, corporate events, and all sorts of parties in the Mid-Atlantic and across the world. To learn how to book us for your event and provide a fantastic personal experience for your guests, head to www.typewriterpoets.com or email us at info@typewriterpoets.com.